Nastya. Kitties. Meow meow cats. One, two, three, four. Four. Huh? Kitties, let's play. Kitties, let's play. Where are my kitties? They are lost. Huh? There's my kitty. Yeah, he's there. Oh, the door's closed. 10:30. This is the arrow for hours, and this is the arrow for minutes.
That's correct.
Yeah! 7 o'clock.
Correct.
Yay!
Bingo.
Carter! I saved you! Mwah, mwah, mwah. Carter! The kitty is there! I need to do this quest. This is my favorite way. 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 499. 4, 9, 9. Lola is found. 2 kittens left. I need to find them. My kitty is there. Okay, next test. We need to find 10 differences. Eyes, cube, color, rose, and flower. The ball, balloons, flowers. Yeah! Reed is found! I need to find the last one. Wait, I'll save you! Closed! What is this? I know. Yeah, I did it! Yay! This is Wendy, the last kitten. It was you! Why are you so angry?
Because Halloween is coming, and I am alone. I don't have friends.
I know what to do. Come with me. Look!
Hi!